Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the Midi keyboard so GarageBand recognizes it. First, attach the correct adapter, Lightning or USB-C, or pair via Bluetooth MIDI. This ensures low latency input. Once connected, open GarageBand and create a new keyboard track so the app requests MIDI input. Make sure the keyboard has power and is set to a standard MIDI channel. This early configuration matters because GarageBand auto-assigns input. Getting it right now prevents routing issues later. Next, you pick the instrument and route MIDI correctly. Tap the plus to add a software instrument, choose the Sound or OV3 plugin, and enable input monitoring so you hear the keyboard live. Then, check GarageBand's track settings. Set the MIDI channel if your keyboard sends non-default channels. Adjust velocity curve and transpose or octave shifts to match your performance. Once done, enable the track and confirm MIDI notes appear in the piano roll. This verifies the routing is working. Finally, you record and polish the performance. Arm the track and use the metronome or count-in. Punch-in makes fixes painless. After recording, open the track's editor to quantize timing, fix wrong notes, and tweak velocity for dynamics. Export or bounce when satisfied. If you don't get MIDI signal, first reboot the iPhone and keyboard, swap the cable or repair Bluetooth, then confirm GarageBand has permission to use connected accessories. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.